Welcome back. If you're ready to start your fitness journey but feel overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break down 6 essential expert-backed tips, specifically for women just starting out. These are simple, sustainable habits you can actually stick with. Grab some water, get comfy, and let's dive in. Tip number 1. Set realistic goals. When embarking on a fitness journey, it's easy to get caught up in wanting immediate results. But sustainable progress comes from setting achievable targets that align with your current lifestyle and fitness level. It's tempting to go all in, pushing yourself to the absolute limit from day one. But aiming for perfection right away is a surefire path to burnout and discouragement. It's like trying to sprint a marathon. You might start strong, but you'll quickly run out of steam. Instead, start small, maybe just 20 minutes of exercise, 3 times a week. Consistency is key, and starting with manageable sessions makes it easier to stick to your routine. Each workout, no matter how short, builds your confidence and momentum. You'll start to feel stronger, more energized, and more motivated to keep going. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the ultimate goal. Celebrate those small victories along the way. Your journey is unique. Everyone starts at a different point and progresses at their own pace. So, start where you are, embrace your current abilities, and build gradually from there. What's one small, realistic goal you can set for yourself this week? Think about it, write it down, and commit to making it happen. You've got this. Tip number 2, finding your best workout time is crucial for long-term success. It's not just about squeezing in a workout, it's about discovering when your body and mind are most receptive to physical activity. Consider this your personal fitness prime time. Ignore the 5 a.m. or bust myth. The fitness world is full of these kinds of dogmatic statements, but the truth is, forcing yourself into a routine that doesn't align with your natural rhythms is a recipe for burnout. The best time is when you can be consistent. Consistency trumps intensity every time. A workout you can realistically maintain is far more effective than sporadic bursts of high-intensity exercise, morning, evening, or lunch break. Experiment and see what fits your energy and schedule. Don't be afraid to try different slots throughout the day. Maybe you're a morning person who thrives on pre-dawn activity, or perhaps you're more energized in the late afternoon. Try different times and notice when you feel your best. Pay attention to how your body responds. Are you more focused? Do you have more stamina? Are you less prone to injury? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. What works for your best friend or a fitness influencer might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. When you find your ideal slot, working out becomes a natural part of your day. It transforms from a chore into something you genuinely look forward to. Make it work for you, not the other way around. Your fitness journey should enhance your life, not complicate it. Embrace the flexibility and find a time that empowers you to reach your goals. Tip 3. Schedule your workouts like any important appointment. If it's not on your calendar, it's easy to skip. Block out specific days and times for your sessions. Set reminders and treat these slots as non-negotiable. This removes the daily, should I or shouldn't I debate. Planning ahead makes consistency much easier. Structure supports your goals. Make it real by writing it down. Tip number 4, and this is crucial, listen to your body. It's your most reliable source of information when it comes to fitness. Pay close attention to the subtle cues and signals it sends you. These signals can tell you when to push harder, when to ease off, and when to simply rest. Forget that outdated mantra, no pain, no gain. It's a recipe for disaster. That philosophy can lead you down a path of injury and frustration. Pushing yourself too hard, too fast, and too often inevitably leads to injury, burnout, and a general dislike for exercise. It's simply not sustainable in the long run. Pay close attention to how you feel before, during your warm-up, and even before you begin your workout. Are you energized and ready, or are you feeling fatigued or sore? Monitor yourself carefully during and after workouts. Notice any discomfort, fatigue, or changes in your body. This awareness is key to preventing injuries and optimizing your recovery. Rest days are absolutely essential for muscle recovery, tissue repair, and overall progress. Don't underestimate their importance. Learn to distinguish the difference between a healthy muscle challenge and real pain, that sharp, stabbing sensation that tells you something is wrong. And remember, never ever push through sharp pain. It's your body's way of screaming at you to stop. Adjust the intensity of your workouts as needed. There's no shame in scaling back or modifying exercises to suit your current fitness level and energy levels. Finally, be patient and kind with yourself throughout this process. Fitness is a journey, not a race. Gradual progression with consistent effort and mindful attention to your body is the key to long-term success and a lifetime of healthy movement. Ultimately, your body's signals are your best and most trustworthy guide on this fitness journey. Listen to them, respect them, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals safely and effectively. Tip 5. Prioritize protein. Protein helps repair and build muscle, keeps you full, and boosts recovery. Aim for 20-30 grams per meal, but don't stress about perfection. Add eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, tofu, or beans to your meals. Simple swaps make a big difference in your results and energy. Nutrition and fitness go hand in hand. Tip 6. Focus on your own progress, not others. Social media shows highlight reels, not real journeys. Celebrate your wins, more reps, better energy, or sticking to your plan. Keep a simple workout journal to track your growth. Non-scale victories matter. Notice how you feel and what you accomplish. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Stay focused on your unique journey. That's it, 6 tips to kickstart your fitness journey with confidence. You don't have to be perfect, just start. If this helped, subscribe for more tips and join our supportive community. Comment below with your first goal or favorite tip. Start today. Your future self will thank you. See you next time.